Today I'd like to unbox an Hermes Non Quota bag with you. Very excited about this. I haven't looked at all, it's still totally sealed. But I have been so tempted. Oh, have I been tempted or what? If you're new here, hi, I'm Kaz. I'm 5 foot nothing, literally. That's 152 centimetres in new money. And I have loved fashion since I was a teenager, which is over 50 years ago. I've loved luxury bags for nearly 40 years. So I've had quite a few bags in my time. And now I have another one. And do you know what? The love for handbags does not diminish over time. I feel, just as excited about unboxing this one as one 20 years ago, 30 years ago, whenever, If you feel the love for handbags, then you feel it. It does not go. Which is not the best thing with a bank account, but, you only live once. Right, and this is also from my favourite consignment store, MEA, that's E-M-I-E-R. I'll put their details in the description box below. This is not sponsored by them at all. No sponsorship deals in sight as yet. If you're watching and you want to throw on my weight, feel free. But no, I really like this consignment store. You can guarantee that their bags are exactly the condition that they say they are. They're authenticated. They're great for selling bags. I have quite a few of mine with them at the moment. A couple of which have sold, hence buying this one. And I am wrestling with this plastic. Oh, right. Oh, God, exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. Right, we'll get rid of that bit. Okay, so are we upside down or no? Not sure. Let me have a look. Oh. You might get an idea by the size of the box. It's sort of like that, and whoa, like that. And I don't know which way up is it. I'm so hopeless at this. You'd think that somebody who had unboxed as many handbags as I have would know which way the box goes, but got it. Right, oh goodness, whoa. Okay, this is the consignment stuff, MEA. Okay, put that over there and take out the orange box. Oh goodness, it is so sticky here this evening. I mean, it would be a lot worse if we didn't have aircon, but even with aircon, it's just, the humidity is unbelievable. I shouldn't really complain about that, should I? I mean, there are people stuck in snow and ice and all sorts of things, but anyway, this is the box. I'm sure you've all guessed what it is. And with it you get this little folder, which has in it a certificate of authenticity and a copy of copy of the invoice, the receipt. Right. There we go. There's actually a couple of bags that this could be, isn't there? Okay, and this is a copy of the original receipt from Hermes, which is very handy to have. I'll put that with this one. Oh goodness, I'm all fingers and thumbs, hopeless. I'm like a child at Christmas. Oh, she looks beautiful. Okay, so the latest addition to my handbag collection is another cargo picotin, or as Hermes are calling it now, a pocket picotin. I noticed that because it said on their website that they had, that there was one for sale, you know, on the Australian Hermes website, which is very strange because you hardly ever get bags on the website. Of course it wasn't available when you click on it, but it definitely said a pocket picotin, which I find very weird because there have always been a cargo picotin. Okay, so here we go. Now the colour is Bleu Marine, in other words navy blue, and the leather is in the colour Caban, which is a new colour. It came into being fall-winter 2022, and it's a deep dark colour that is very close to black. As usual with the cargo or pocket picotin, whichever one we want to call it, the leather here, let me show you close up, that's the Caban. There's a little pocket under here. I mean, look, I doubt if you'd use it, but you know, there are pockets at the side and 2 pockets this side. And the hardware, as you can see from the fitting there, is palladium. So now we need the, oh, here we go. Oops. In another little bag. You get the 2 keys. And you also get the padlock. Now this on the website said condition was 9.9 out of 10, but there was a slight sign of use inside the bag. I'll just show you before I put the padlock on because it's easier. That's the inside of the, very dark so it's difficult to see, but I really can't see any sign of use. To be honest, MEA always are on the side of caution, which, you know, I think is good. But as far as I'm concerned, this is in new condition. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the base of the bag, which is 18 centimetres by 13.5 centimetres, and that is in old money. It is just over 7 inches on the longest side to 13.5, which is just over 5.25 inches. The height that way is 19.5 centimetres, and that is just over 7.5 inches. Okay, so they should always come with two keys. This one was good because it's sort of a full set. It's got a copy of the receipt, the original box, has the ribbon, you know, the dust bags, everything, which is great. Okay, so we open the padlock. Okay, so what we do then is we take the strap that goes across the top of the bag through the, I was going to say rectangle, but it's a sort of metal square there. There's a hole. Put the padlock through. Close the padlock. And that is what holds the bag closed, like that. Now these are obviously less slouchy than the leather ones. I had a note here about the material is Toile Goeland, and Toile is French for canvas, so it's a particular type of canvas. It's swift leather, which is crafted from fine-grained nubuck leather or calf skin, and the leather is soft and supple. And that's what the handles are made of, the strap across the top, the edging around here, flap of the bag, and also the base. And she is quite lovely. Now, this bag replaces one that I had in my collection, which was another cargo or pocket Picotin in chai, which was sort of a yellow ochre colour. I'll put a photograph of it just up there. You know, I liked it, but it's not a colour that I'd wear, that I'd use. And I decided at the beginning of this year that all the bags in my collection should be usable. So therefore, the yellow ochre one went, the chai one went, and the navy blue one replaced it, because this is so much more my colour palette. If any of you have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm not really into colour that much. Anyway, that is the latest edition, to go with the Bleu Royal Blue, that I already have, and the black one. And as you can see, they've all got Palladian hardware. Now, the one on the Hermes website was a black one, but it had gold hardware. And I'll put a photograph of that just up there. There were an unusually high number of bags on the Australian Hermes website. All of them were unavailable. You go to add them to your cart, and right down at the bottom it says no longer available. Why they're on the website, I don't know. I mean, when they sell, they should take them off, really. But it is, you know, these are difficult to get. This one, by the way, it's a U stamp, so it's 2022, made in France, and she's just gorgeous. She really is a lovely bag. I think it's the nicest non-quota bag. And brand new, with our horrendous exchange rate at the moment, well, the one on the Hermes Australia website was $6,990. So this was slightly less than that, so it was a good deal. And what I need to do now is to get a bag liner, like that one. I buy the silky ones from Degas, which are on Amazon, which I'll put a link in the description box down below. You probably won't be able to see that very well because it's black on black, but they're sort of a silky satiny type fabric, and they're just gorgeous. I mean, they're not cheap, but they're nice. I much prefer them to the felt ones, and they just fit perfectly, and they preserve the shape of your bag. What more could you ask for? On Friday, hopefully I'll be showing you another new bag. Fingers crossed it will arrive on time. And if you enjoy my videos, please help support my channel by subscribing. I only need 110 more subscribers to reach 3,000, which will be amazing. So, thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. À bientôt mes amis, au revoir et bonsoir.